Are you tired of spending money on commercial skincare products with little to no results? In this video, we reveal 3 100% natural homemade products for glowing, spotless skin. These simple recipes include a face wash, a face moisturizer, and a body soap. First up is the face wash. Begin with gentle ingredients like honey and oatmeal. Mix them together to create a soothing, cleansing paste. Apply it to your face and massage gently. Rinse with warm water. Next is the face moisturizer. Combine aloe vera gel with a few drops of essential oils, like lavender or tea tree. This blend hydrates while providing nourishing properties. Apply it liberally for soft, smooth skin. Finally, let's create the body soap. Melt some natural soap base, then mix in raw cocoa butter and essential oils. Pour the mixture into molds and let it cool. This soap not only cleanses but moisturizes your entire body. These homemade products are not just economical, but also outperform many commercial options. They are effective and free from harmful chemicals, making them safe for all skin types. So why spend a fortune on store-bought products? Switch to these natural alternatives for better skin health and radiance. To recap, we discussed a face wash, moisturizer, and body soap, all made with natural ingredients. These are simple, economical, and highly effective for achieving glowing skin. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural skincare tips. Try these recipes and share your results in the comments below. Your journey to glowing skin starts today.